For everybody to understand me. We need the world to recognize our plan B is to win their hearts before we win a Grammy. My name is Kendrick Lamar. My words like a sword in the hands of a Spartan marching on Rosecrans and Compton. You can't cause conflict or corrupt my spirit. I'm on point like period. I've been there and gone before you get near it. Ooh wee. That boy remind me of a young Martin Luther, the way peace of troop was around up shooters like Malcolm X did. I stand for what I believe in. That's family, God, and honor. From Chicago, my daddy and my mama, they came to Compton to accomplish one thing, reign supreme, raise a king named Kendrick. I ain't lying to stand for king, and I am one. My unborn son and grandson will live royal, from the coochie to the soil. The meek shall inherit the earth. When I had this world since birth, you feel the good kid's hunger. The Crips made strong, the prime rules made stronger. But it's muscle in my heart. I stare in the eyes of always hard to tell them I'm the genius. I love myself, really love myself, and I means this with all my soul. And you can't control greatness unless you hating with the heart of Satan. But even that can't stop it. I tell a nigga get out my wallet and put passion in your life, and passion in your life. The passion of my Christ is in me. If you say it ain't, you may fit me. Damn, that boy good. I'm bright as Thomas Edison, but I'm Gucci Man hood. I stood alone for so long, prolonged my whole career, but now I'm here. You can shoot shots at cheer, cause I am Kendrick motherfucking Lamar. Love y'all.